I just put this wig on right out of the box, and now we're gonna get her ready to wear. So the first thing I need to do is adjust these adjusters. I'm feeling like it's just a little bit big in the circumference. These are pull adjusters, so I'll just pull it in and pop her back on, and we'll see if that works for the sizing. Feels pretty good. So I'm gonna check the lace all the way around, make sure it's not buckled anywhere. That's a sign that your wig needs to be taken in with the adjusters. Looks good. Okay, so now we need to open this part. So I'm going to use my wide tooth comb initially. Sometimes they will just lay open with your wide tooth comb, which is so nice, but not this one. So I'm going to use my rat tail comb as well. You have to go over and over it sometimes to get it completely opened with those zigzag parts. And sometimes you just need to take it off and just do it by hand or do it on a mannequin head. Okay, it's looking like I finally have it open. Let's take a look. Yes, much better. All right, now these curls. I feel there's a little more wave on one side than there is on the other. So I'm gonna get out my Longe Le Duo air curler and fix that. So I'm gonna start with a big chunk of hair and see if that's all it needs. That didn't do anything, so let's try some smaller sections. That will usually do it if a big section doesn't work. Oh yes, much better. Getting some little curls in there now. These are the heat-friendly Belle Tress fibers, of course, so you can use heat up to about 300 degrees. So I usually set this on like 280 to 300. So just adding in a few more curls. I can also straighten out hairs that were there, maybe not quite laying right from the part. So add a little more curl. I love this air curler. It works great on these synthetic fibers. You can find it in my Amazon store. And you can always do this, you know, if you feel like you just need to add some curl to a wig or take some away. If you need to, you know, relax the curl a little bit, you can flatten it out. But that looks much better. I'm happy with it. Okay, Belle Tress Missoni, I love ya.